today is the day that I am chopping this ridiculous amount of hair. I grew my hair out and haven't dyed it. Well, I did dye it, but I didn't dye it with my blonde or my pink or anything like that. About 4 months ago or so, it was getting a little long, and I was like, I think I'm gonna chop this beast, right? Just, chop a little bit of it off. And then my best friend was like, do you want to do a Star Wars cosplay for Denver Pop Culture Con? And I was like, yeah, I would love to dress up as Princess Leia. So I dyed my hair brown and I let it just grow and grow and grow. And now there's so much fucking hair. And I mean, yay, I'm happy. My hair's really thick. She a thick bitch. But it's a lot. And this isn't even everything. It's all messy back here. This isn't even everything it could be. I have like an undercut to the center of my head. She needs to be fixed up. She needs to be taken out, wined and dined just a little bit. So today, we are chopping my hair. My crazy fucking hair. God, I hate it. Ugh. It's all like damaged too now. Like I can see all the, well, not so bad up here, but I guess like kind of here, this just kind of looks like hay. It's just this awful gross hair. So definitely gonna chop that off. And I'm going to dye my hair blue. I have never dyed my hair blue before. The first kind of non-natural color, now that I've messed with it, now I really look wild. I hate this color. I cannot express how much I dislike having this color hair. I look like a sister wife. I look like I'm Amish. I look like every peasant you've ever seen on Game of Thrones with a little like gaggle of children around her knees, right? And she's got like a dirty face and they're all looking up, all tragic and stuff. And like the mom is wearing like a potato sack. I look like that bitch. And I don't want to look like that bitch anymore. So we're going to slash and burn this fucking mop and dye it blue. So I hope you guys will come with me on my adventure to dye my hair blue. And I really hope it doesn't look ridiculous or like I'm a clown or like a weird anime character. Well, that'd be okay. I mean, like, being a weird anime character would be all right. But yes, I'm excited, and especially because like the Jeffree Star Blue Blood collection came out, and like I have all this blue stuff. So we're gonna go trim this beast. All right. Kind of nervous. Let's do this like we mean it. It just looks so long. It just like goes on forever. Like I can't even get it in the frame.
I know.
It's just long and gross and terrible. And this is Shannon. Hi, Shannon. She's amazing. guys, so this is my hair now, which is so much better than it was. It makes me very happy, and I have a couple. I love the cut quite specifically because the summer months have been kicking my ass with all of that heavy hair that I had. It was terrible. Here's the hair super up close. Hold on. There you go. Here you go. Super up close hair. Yes. It's still, my scalp is still stained. It's fine. But, ooh, who's she? Who's that girl? I just, the weight, I cannot express to you how nice it is to not have that extra, like, I don't even know, how much do you think was on that floor? Like, at least, like, 5 pounds of hair? Like, it's insane. Actually insane how much hair I had on my head. That's fine. But yeah, this is the finished look, and it's making like all of my Evanescence dreams come true. It's like I feel like the little goth baby that I've always been on the inside, but that my soccer mom side was like struggling to let out. And so I was really happy because my kids said I looked weird, so I was like, yes, mission accomplished. I'm doing things right. If the kids think you look weird, you're definitely on the right path with this hairstyle. But I like the long A-line. It's working for me. And it's, I will say it is not my most favorite hair color and hairstyle I've ever had. I'm definitely still gonna go back to my blonde and pink, which is totally my favorite, but this hair was kind of trashed, and so I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try something that I hadn't done before, and it turned out really great. I'm gonna put the link to my stylist below because Shannon did an amazing job on my hair. One of the conversations we had was making sure that it didn't go too like, you know, like I'm a clown cartoonish blue. I'm like, I really want it to be a deep blue. And so there's God, why am I talking to people today? I'm gonna fuck up this interview. But there were some things that she did with toner to help, like we bleached the shit out of it, and there's some things that she did to kind of dial down the hair with the toner and then put the blue on. I'm not used to short hair yet, and so like I keep catching little pieces of hair in my mouth, but that's fine because at least it's not a super long Amish girl braid, and that makes me happy. So, but I'm kind of gussied up right now because I have a meeting for a place called Vanilla Kink, which is a brand new store opening up in downtown Denver for all of your kinky pleasure needs. So I'm gonna go meet with them, and hopefully I'm gonna talk with them, and they're gonna carry my books and my jewelry and all of the stuff that I've been making in their stores. So there will actually be like a local place that people can buy my things. So I'm pretty excited about it. But anyways, so I'm gonna go talk with those ladies. I'm also going to be making a video here for Shane's birthday. Through a weird series of events, I ended up sending Shane Dawson some birthday gifts. I know that sounds weird. That's like, oh, you slipped and tripped and sent somebody birthday gifts? No. I found something that then I decided I wanted to turn into a gift, and then I was like, let's just send our YouTube hero like a bunch of our shit. And then hopefully I don't look too fucking stupid, but we'll see. And if I do, oh well, meh. That's like the story of my life is it's like looking like a jackass and then being like, well, I guess that happened. So anyways, I literally just choked on my hair. Jesus Christ. Let's try this again. I do love the cut, but apparently it is hazardous for my health. Bitch needs to learn how to close her mouth. I do not know how to close my mouth. I mean, I'd say sorry, but it's kind of what we're going for, isn't it? Subscribe to my Patreon. I'm starting to cool put things. Fuck. I am a demure and beautiful woman. What I was going to say is subscribe to my Patreon. I have 4 awesome people on it right now. If you want to get on the Patreon, I'm putting all of my short stories on there. So if you really love the world of Atland and you want to read more that's not necessarily in the main books, just kind of the short stories, then that's where that's going to be. Anyways, as usual, subscribe and like and do all the things. I'm terrible at this. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.